got flung backwards.
There's a player 37 on the track. Cody is back.
Cody is back.
JJ in the lead.
I'm gonna put it on.
And they are back.
Second.
Is that Dem in third? Dem is third.
He's around.
Jack, behind P2.
Can Jack close the gap on JJ?
Oh, that's a lap car.
JJ, hold on, Jack. 3 to go with the caution.
Chris.
What?
I don't know how you guys ever. I gotta say though, I'm on the lead lap. Zach, I am on the lead lap.
You missed more than one lap.
No, I know. I missed 2 laps.
Yeah.
So I'm back on the lead lap because remember I just came back as you guys threw the caution out. I didn't say anything because I was still muted. You guys threw the caution out just as I came back.
Alrighty,
So down 2 laps.
Yeah, because every time you've been given somebody, like they joined like 14 out of whatever it was, you get like.
It's
9.
between Jack and JJ. Also, Horror is right behind them both, and then we have the other races.
He's gonna.
There we go.
You're in the pit road limiter. You have the pit road limiter.
Yeah, I know.
Ah, dang, I missed him.
Not everyone's here. So we got Cody, and we gotta wait for basically just Cody though.
Alright, chalk is clear. Let the 37
so Dem
get
could
to
have
the.
been racing for the win, but he wrecked.
This is anyone's race because we saw Dem running third at one point.
He was probably running third because he was.
Oh, I got road rash.
Part of the ruts wheeling young guns.
Hashtag road rash for life. Oh, and he's around. And he collects off. That's good.
We're about to go back green here at Phoenix, folks.
We're waiting for Weehawk.
Wait, I need more bus green.
Oh,
Let me get the cinematic view.
Oh crap.
We're green.
oh, Reckon on the start.
Lone spins. Lone spins. And
Let's see if Lone flips it. No, you will not get stuck.
AJ in the lead. Jack close behind him.
Can JJ go back to back? Can Jack get to him?
Elliot close behind
They
him.
both have.
Oh, never mind.
They all both have a great turn there. 2 to go.
Don't do the laps until you hit the line. Don't do the laps till they hit the line.
46 I don't care.
Oh, JJ's low. He's the wall.
JJ's around. JJ comes in. Jack to the lead.
Big crash. Woo! Big one, caution out. Big one.
Oh, yeah, caution.
That was freaking insane. Dude, I was recording that. No, I should record.
Wow.
Dude, that was insane.
That looks like a legit big one.
Dude, that was.
What's wrong, dude? I didn't mean to. You did to. I didn't mean to.
We talk. Oh, there's a fight.
A fight during the race.
The drivers are mad. They know they lost this race.
It's a. When they still perfectly have a chance because it's green, white, checker, restart when everyone's in lead left.
Hey, we just
I know. Get back in your car. Why is Lone trying to fight me too? He had no part of it. I still don't understand why he talked about it. I didn't.
Yeah. We're green.
Check it here. Jack on the inside, JJ on the outside. JJ dives down.
Oh, that's a flung backwards.
That's gotta be fun.
Yes, that's a flung
Every
backwards.
time I want to say Chris, but it's always freaking Jack right there.
JJ has the lead, RP2, LEP3, then the rest.
Dude, Jack Carr got flown into the air, went airborne, did a flip, and landed on top of my hood.
Oh.
Can Dar gain back his lead? Can he win this? He's in second right now.
Anybody run a jump boost? Speak. Speak.
Get it right, Zach.
Got this, I got this.
Watch. I'm gonna make him line up.
Got this.
I'm gonna make him line up.
Let me go to the. Okay, never mind. Actually, I don't care. They are not lined up at all.
3, 2, 1, go.
9, you're not P3. You even said you got wrecked.
Damn.
No, you're not.
I'm using the hypno
I said he hit the top of my finger. I mean, my bib. I never said I got wrecked.
You're P.
Oh my god! Let me in line, Jack. You stuck anyway. Oh my
Well, Jack,
god.
like, he should be in the back anyways.
Exactly.
Let me do the count. I got this.
Okay, Jack's out of line. Jack's out of line. I got it.
Green light triggered. Dar on the outside. JJ on the inside. Dar holding the outside line. Oh,
3 points in the nose.
4. I scored not enough. Oh, JJ. Oh, here comes Dem.
Dem!
It's P2.
Where'd it go?
Oh, JJ.
No!
So is Dem. Here comes Dar.
Oh, darn! Oh, they go on pit road!
Into the pits. Into the pits.
Cody's in the pit. Wait. Oz in the middle of the track.
That's a yellow! One lap! Yeah, redo!
How did it take you guys an entire lap to
We got clear watching the lead. We're watching the lead.
I tried to cut down solo.
You're supposed to be muted.
Dude, I tried to cut down solo and I just got screwed over the.
I'm gonna be in the booth.
Say white one to get to the line just in case of.
Yep. Well, I'm not the lap counter.
Number 3. Where do you
I'm
go
the
now?
recorder, cinematic views.
No, it's a redo.
Doesn't matter. It's still a good photo. Whatever you want to do, sir.
And everyone's hard. But we're green.
Green flag everywhere.
Go on the outside, JT on the inside.
The wrecks in turn 1 are the key. 1, 2, oh, that's a yellow!
3.
That's 3, no caution.
Oh, never mind.
Battle between Dar and JJ. Dar in the lead. Dar goes high. So does JJ. Oh,
Wait,
and
Say, oh!
JJ around. That's 3. Oh,
He's stuck after the caution. I mean, after the white.
No caution.
so it's a lap shootout. No, because Jack is stuck.
No, it's not, dude. Oh my god.
No, Jack got stuck. He can't race.
Yeah, but I already freaking touched the phone.
Yeah, it's a one-lap shootout. And I'm starting second. Yeah, but Jack
JJ is second.
What? How
Yeah.
is he black?
Yes, we are as well.
I am black.
You what?
Yes.
Oh,
No wonder why you're retarded.
Oh, wait, Awesome's right. We can single file.
yeah, single file when
No.
happens.
Dude, how does Awesome know this? How does Awesome know this?
Because he's driving a breast cancer ward in his car. Let's.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah. Because that's the answer to every question in the world.
You just shit even
Oh,
harder.
and there goes Dar.
Caution is out here.
We get back.
Why is Awesome sitting... Okay, I am P3 because Jack crashed.
Alright, I'm gonna put my camera on a real camera platform on top of the booth.
Okay, I am second. I mean, I'm third.
Oh, I'm gonna have to make a part 2. Alright, part 2 coming your way.